How to send a photo message on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can send a photo message on TikTok. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, if you are aware, when we open up the TikTok application, we may be able to message someone if we are friends with them. But in another occasion, we'll not be able to share with them a simple photo in some case. So if I just open it up, and if I want to send a photo, you can see I do not have any option to send a photo. Now, the only way we can send a photo as this person has sent me is that we have to send that photo as a video on TikTok. So in order to do that, we're just basically going to come back and then tap on the plus button from the bottom of the screen. We're going to allow all the permission that it actually requires, and then I'm just going to tap on the upload button. I'm going to allow the access, and then I'll just choose a specific video, let's say, or specific photo over here. Once I choose a specific photo over here, as you can see, I've uploaded it. Now I'm basically just going to tap on the next option. Now over here, I'm only going to set this to that person and me, which means that I do not want any other else to actually watch this video. So it says who can watch this video. I'm just going to tap on it, and it says friends or only me. So I'm just going to set it only to friends. And once I do that, I'm just going to post this video. And as I post this video, I'm just going to come back, and then I'm going to open up that specific video after refreshing it. And once I refresh that video, you can see it has been successfully posted. Now I'll just tap on it. I'll tap on the three dots over here, and then here I can simply send it to some of my friends over here. So if I would like to send it, I'll just need to tap on the send button. And once I tap on the profile name over here and just hit the send button, it will be sent to that specific person. If I just come back to my tab over here, so let me just show you. I'll come to my inbox tab, and then I'll just tap on that, and then here you can see I have sent the photo, but I have attached it as a photo inside of that video. And that's all it takes to send a photo message. But keep in mind, officially TikTok has not allowed anybody else to send a photo message, so this is the only way I can think of which is working at the moment. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.